This APHOGEE Curlific Texture Treatment is amazing. I just cut my hair down to kind of like a longer afro, teeny weeny afro stage, and I had a lot of heat damage. And so I decided to give this product a try to see what it would do to revive any curl pattern in my hair. And it has worked really, really well for my hair. So this stuff is super thick. It is like a lotion, like a thick lotion consistency, and it goes on really nice and smooth. And it has a really light fragrance, kind of like a light perfumey type of fragrance, but it's not overpowering at all. It's just a really nice smell. And so to use this, what I did was I washed my hair and then I towel dried it. And after towel drying, I put this treatment on in sections and covered my entire hair. And then I put on a plastic cap and I walked around the house and did things around the house for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it off. And my hair was so soft. I was not expecting this to make my hair that soft, but it did. So if you're looking for softness, if your hair is feeling dry, if your curl pattern is lackluster, I 100% recommend this Curlific Texture Treatment by APHOGEE to breathe life back into your hair.